Welcome to my channel, Living Your Best Life, and I'm Cindy Smaha, and today I am really excited because it's that time again for Battle of the Boxes between IPSY and Allure. And we'll see which box has the better deal for you, good bang for your buck, in just a moment. But before we get into it, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that little bell right next to it so you'll be notified of all my future uploads. And if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. That does help my channel to grow. And leave me a comment about whether you've used any of these products or you have these beauty boxes yourself. So let's get into this. The first box we're going to get into is Allure. Rhodile Blush Drops in Frosted Pink, $55. This is a liquid blush, and I tried it on the back of my hand, and you can barely see it. Not real pigmented, sort of on the gooey side, as I would call it. So not for sure if I'm going to like this one as much, but we'll give it a try. Benefit Cosmetics 24-Hour Brow Setter Clear Brown Gel, $28. Can't say that I use brow setters that much. I don't have that crazy type of brows going on. So my eyebrows usually are pretty short and they stay in place. But I'll give this a try and see how it goes. First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, $48. Can they make a bigger tube than this? Oh my goodness, what a big tube of hand cream. I guess it's body cream. But I love it that it's safe for sensitive skin, and colloidal oatmeal in it. And I tried it on the back of my hand. It is so luxurious. Oh my gosh, my hand is so soft. So I'm excited about this. Yes, I'm always excited about really good brands. And I really like First Aid Beauty. I really like their brand. So, and that it's safe for sensitive skin. Good stuff. Blossom Essentials Hydration Repair Honey Lip Balm, $12. I tried this on the back of my hand here, and it's pretty gooey. I guess I would call it gooey. So, and it's not really a balm. Balms have a little more texture to them, or they're a little more solid. This is really sort of squishy in there, so you could easily get too much on it. So, but we'll give that a try. It was $12. Eva NYC Freshen Up Invisible Dry Shampoo, Light and Fresh, $2.78. So this is a trial size, and it's dry shampoo. And I don't typically use dry shampoo. I wash my hair once a week, but I don't typically use dry shampoo, so I don't really have a lot to say in that realm. But I have some friends who use dry shampoo, so I'll definitely give that to them. So, and that one was $2.78. BDY by Tree Hut Body Serum Mist, $11. Now this looks like it's got some oil in it because it's separated. And it says it's a body serum mist, so treat the body, so not just your face. And it's got squalene, niacinamide, and tranexamic acid. Say that 3 times fast. So it boosts skin's barrier and brightens and hydrates. So it doesn't say to shake first, though. But I would think you would want to get all of the product. You'd want to shake it. Anyway, I'll look in the directions a little bit more. So that's interesting, and I'm not, it's by Tree Hut, so BDY, so it's by Tree Hut, so, which is a good brand, so we'll see how that goes. The total retail price for the Allure box was $157. So let's get into the IPSY box now. Just to give you a little background, these are beauty subscription boxes that I get. I pay with my own money. They're not gifted to me, so I'm not sponsored at all by IPSY or Allure yet. Fingers crossed. But I do love the Battle of the Boxes, and I really like both these beauty subscription boxes, and they're beauty boxes. So they're about hair, nail, face, body, creams, supplements, that sort of thing. They don't have any like household goods. Now I do have a subscription for FABFITFUN, and in that box, that is a full box of whatever. So there's household stuff in there, there's purses, there's clothes, earrings, so you can get most anything through that particular beauty box. And that one comes out 4 times a year, I should say every season. So it's every quarter, so every season. So they have a winter box, a summer box, a fall box, and a spring box. So they have all those. So I've already gotten my fall box, and so we're waiting on winter, when winter is going to kick in. So we shall see. There we go. Jubel Vanilla Cherry Lip Mask. I love me a good lip mask because I love hydrating my lips at night. That's when I usually use my Ballistics at night. Ooh, this is definitely a balm type. So this is, when it says balm, it's heavy on the beeswax. So now this one feels like a true lip balm. Ooh, there is a cherry scent to it. Ooh, it smells good though. I'll have to give that a try tonight. And that was $20. Pure Nova Cheek Palette in pink, $27. Never heard of this brand before, but it looks like there's a cream blush on top, and then to powder cheek blush, and then a highlighter at the bottom. So let's see what the blush looks like. Very light. Looks like there's a buildable coverage on it. And the highlighter. Oh, the highlighter is nice. So you can see on the other side of the lip, the rhodile, you can see it's buildable coverage on the pink and then the highlighter. Very nice. Very subtle, I should say. It's very subtle. And that was $27. Almar Cosmetics Denudes Exotica Eyeshadow Palette, $28. I haven't heard of this particular brand before, so, but I do like the shades that they have in here. They got 4 shimmer shades and then 4 matte shades in there, and the shades look beautiful. I mean, oh my goodness. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh. Yeah, oh, these look more like, yeah. They look more sparkly than the other one does. It's very, very nice. Very good palette. We'll see how that works. Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Tinted Lip Oil in Hope, $22. This is marvelous. I've used this already. I'm going to put some more on now. It is so nice. Oh gosh. I think there's some plumping in it too, because my lips feel tingly. There's no smell to it. Selena Gomez is really doing it right. She's hitting things out of the ballpark here lately, because this is just fantastic. I love this. And yeah, it does have a little bit of a plumping effect, I think, on there. Yeah, but very nice. And this was $22. GYS Beauty Brush Set, $48. I just can't believe some of these brushes are this expensive. $48 for 2 brushes. I mean, I don't have the money to spend $48 on 2 brushes, but I'm glad I can get it in my box. But dang, there's a fluffy brush, looks like a blush brush, and then another soft angled brush, maybe for bronzer, or a different type of, maybe for highlighter. But anyway, $48. Scone Cosmetics Brown Wand in brown, $22. So, oops, I can't get this open. We'll see how that is. I haven't tried it yet, obviously. I can't get it open. But we'll see. I've not heard of that brand either, Scone. So I get some off-brand ones here just to try out. Sometimes I'm really happy with them, sometimes I'm not. And the Beauty Boost product I got was Natasha Denona Highlighter Trio in $55. Wow. It's just wow. Oh my goodness gracious. These highlighters are just fantastic, and I like me a good highlighter. I also use it for eyeshadow, you know, to put it on the center of my lid. I've done that before. There, I put all 3 on the back of my hand. You can see, oh my goodness, beautiful highlighters, beautiful highlights. That's from Natasha Denona, and that's $55. The total retail price on the IPSY box was $222. Well, I can't say that the Allure box disappointed me a lot, but I got some really good products in there. The Rodial blush drops, and then the First Aid Beauty cream. I'm really excited to be able to try those. So we'll see how that goes, but I still think that IPSY won this round. I just love the Natasha Denona and the Rare Beauty lip oil, so I'm really excited about that. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I know I always do. I love unboxing these products for you and showing. Now in the description box there'll be links where you can go if you want to get a monthly subscription for these 2 beauty subscriptions. So please use those links that are in my description box. So anyway, I hope you are doing well. I think of you, I pray for you, I hope the best for you. I hope you are living your best life, because I feel like I am, definitely. So that's all I got. So I will see you next week, Monday at 4. Have a great week. Bye-bye.